Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'd like to show you to turn off the AI assistant on your Samsung phones, especially if you have one of these newer phones, such as the S26 Ultra. And of course, with the S26 Ultra, I'll break down how to turn off the digital assistant or the AI assistant, all right? Now, there are multiple AI assistant. There's the built-in one with Samsung, but there are others as well. There's the one Bixby. There's also other third-party ones installed. I'm sure you can get rid of them, all right? So let's get straight to it. Now, do note this is not about the built-in assistant that's baked into the Samsung side of things. I'll show you how to do that in a separate video. And of course, this is mainly about the main or the secondary one. So there are multiples on this. So for example, if I were to press here, the power button, you'll notice this one is called that. All right, so that particular one is called Gemini. Appears whenever you long press the power button. All right, so before you'd use the power button to turn off. I'm going to show you to turn that off and to restore the power button. All right, so in terms of that, you're going to go to settings. You're going to go to your settings. Once you're in settings as seen here, we know the name of the app, so we're going to go down to apps. We're going to search alphabetically. It starts with G, which is Gemini. So we're going to search for that particular one. Here we go. So you can see it's here. Now, with these apps, you have two options. You can either uninstall, as you see it's installed, or you can hit disable. So I'm going to hit disable if it allows me to disable it. So if it allows you to uninstall it, go ahead and uninstall. If not, go ahead and disable app. All right. So you notice now it says that app is disabled. All right. So now we have completely disabled the app. We're going to look for instances of it. So let's see if there's anything with that same name. And you'll see it's here. And of course, I see no other instances of that particular one. Now, in terms of your power button, you'll notice that the button now closes the device. And if I long press, it still calls it up. All right. So we're going to turn that off. So we're going to go here to the quick panel. We're going to look for power here. We're going to tap on the power button. I'm going to say side button. So to make sure that we do not do that again, it says digital assistant for Google. So we're going to turn that here. And notice it says here, or you want to do the power menu. We also notice there are two digital assistants. There's one that's here. That's this other one that we're going to disable as well. That's called Bixby. So we're going to hit this to the power off menu. So let's go. So we have set this to the power off menu now. There you go. It's now does the power off menu here, which is much more convenient. And of course, we're going to search for in the settings, we're going to search for in apps. So remember, we're in settings, we're in apps. We're going to search for the B name, which is Bixby. All right, so here it says it's here. And of course, it doesn't allow me to think there as well. So I'm going to hit disable and I'm going to say disable app. All right, we can also force stop it. Okay. And force stop it will, if in case it's still running. We have disabled and to force stop it. There was the G one as well. Let's double check on that one. So the G one, that's Gemini. Try not to call a name in case it triggers it. And B, C, D, E, F, G. And here we go. And it says it's disabled, but just in case it's running, we're going to force stop. All right, so we're going to hit OK. All right, so remember to force stop it as well. So you notice both are now disabled. And as a bonus tip, I have a separate tutorial on that. You can look it up, or we could go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to the top of the list. You want to go here. Is it? Give me a second, guys. AI features. You're going to turn off all of these and turn on device processing. I have a separate video to show you to do that. You can check that out as well. But just in case you want to find the other settings, go ahead and turn that off. So that's about 3 different digital assistants. That's Bixby, that's Gemini, and of course the built-in Samsung AI-based features. All right, do note that these things are persistent. Even if you turn them off, they sometimes still have a tendency to want to still activate, especially if you were to click on them. All right, so that's the main way to turn those off. And of course, that's how to do it on your Samsung device or S26 devices. All right, so hope this was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.